Building a project schedule usually means one of three things: creating a chart in Excel, searching for a free template, or asking ChatGPT to do it for you. But those options all have the same problem. They don't give you a chart you can actually use. You end up rebuilding it manually or working from static screenshots. That's why we created TeamGantt's AI Gantt Chart Maker, a free tool that instantly generates a real, interactive project timeline. No spreadsheets, no paywall, no credit card required. Just describe your project in plain language. Type something like website redesign with research, design, development, and launch phases over 10 weeks. Then click the button for TeamGantt's AI to generate your Gantt chart with phases, tasks, and durations already in place. Once your chart is built, you can jump straight into customizing it. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust timelines, link dependencies automatically, and add new tasks right from the interface. No spreadsheets with formulas or constant formatting. Just an easy-to-use, intuitive Gantt chart that updates fast so you can focus on the work. With TeamGantt, your schedule lives in the cloud. That means you can share a public link to your plan with your team, and it's always up to date. And if you upgrade to a paid version, team members can view, comment, and update progress together in real time, all without emailing files or chasing down the latest version. Most AI Gantt chart makers only export static files or require paid trials, but TeamGantt gives you a live, editable timeline with a free plan that you can use right away. And any task or milestone can be connected with dependencies, so when dates change, those connected items can easily adjust in sync. You can also export your AI-generated Gantt chart as a WBS-formatted CSV if you want to bring it into Excel or Google Sheets. But why would you when you can just work directly in something as easy to use as TeamGantt? And it's free. There are even advanced features available like workloads, baselines, and portfolio tracking. ChatGPT can tell you about Gantt charts, but it can't really make one you can actually use. And Excel, it's powerful, but slow, with manual updates, complex formulas, and no collaboration. TeamGantt's AI combines automation with the hands-on control project managers need. So your chart isn't just generated, it's ready for you to manage from the start. With TeamGantt's AI Gantt Chart Maker, you can go from idea to working schedule in just seconds. Whether you're managing a construction job, marketing campaign, or product launch, this tool helps you plan smarter and a whole lot faster. With no downloads, no setup, no credit card required. Just type your project and watch your plan come to life. Try TeamGantt's free AI Gantt Chart Maker today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to plan and manage smarter.